Yes, sir.
Go. Okay. Simple example, there's nothing. So by strain energy method, just not Castiglione's, not unit load, just by finding the total strain energy stored and equating to external work done, whatever we have told in theory, that's the only thing. External work done equals internal strain energy stored. By that is strain energy method. By strain energy method, find deflection or slope. Either deflection or slope. So, okay. Or W, it may be anything, I will say W load. So you can put any numerical value. Span L, EI constant. Then you cannot have UDL, I told. Either concentrated load and deflection in the direction of flow. That is very important. Deflection in the direction, or deformation, I will put it. Deformation in the direction of load, and only one load should be given by strain energy method. Like this. So W and deformation in the direction of W. W is vertical load, acting in vertical direction, it is only vertical deformation. Here I will give you a moment M, it is the moment, so slope. Deformation is slope, only slope to be determined. No deflection. Here, if they want what is the deflection, then you cannot do by this method. You have to go for either strain energy Castiglione theorem or unit load. That is application of strain energy. Not pure strain energy method. It is only one load and corresponding to that load in that direction of the load, whatever deformation. That's all you can determine from this. No other varying load or UDL can be used. This is a very important thing which you have to remember. For these three problems, you can do it. So one, of course, this W, A, B, L is a with this, the central concentrated load also can take it, and moment also may be clear. So these three examples you can find out. That is load in the direction of load deformation. Here load is vertical, vertical deflection. Here load is moment, you have to find slope. That's why I told deflection or slope. Whatever the type of load which is there in that load direction, what is the deformation? If the load is moment load, deformation will be rotation. Not vertical. Vertical also will be there, but vertical you cannot determine by
strain energy
method. That's the limitation of this strain energy method. If they ask, right? If they are setting some problem, find the vertical deflection due to, if they give a moment load or UDL, straight away you can say out of, it is not possible by strain energy method. You have to adopt either application of strain energy method, Castiglione's, or unit load. Then you can proceed with that. You will get full marks absolutely, there is nothing. They cannot just simply say strain energy. Strain energy means these are the limitations. So this is very simple. So general expression, we have U is equal to, because all these are all bending members. So what is the expression for strain energy? It is mx square dx divided by 2EI. Right? In Castiglione's we were integrating, differentiating partial with respect to mx. In unit dummy load method, we are applying unit load and evaluating that equations, whatever we have. Here it is, this is that, and the external work done is equal to W into delta, whatever that load. Here it is W delta, here it is M theta, here it is W delta. That is the actual external work done. you have to evaluate only mx at any section, integrate it, you will get the solution. That's as simple as that. So now, external work done is equal to W delta, therefore, equate external work done. These are okay. External work done equals strain energy. Internal work done, which is stored as strain energy. So from this, find delta. That's all the procedure. Work out strain energy for all these problems. Find the external work done, equate external work done equals strain energy, and find that deformation, whatever is required. By strain energy method, find deformation.
Deformation also.
And in the direction of flow. So I will just apply for all these problems. Only now, small integration work you have to do it. If you take first problem, A, U equals, or first find mx. First problem is this cantilever with this load W. I will take a section x, which is at a distance x. Right? X equals 0 to L. Say mx is equal to minus W x. Correct? That's as simple as that. Therefore, U equals integral
0 to L.
1 over 2 EI mx square, that is W square x square dx. That's all. Limits 0 to
L.
L. So this is nothing but 1 over 2 EI. This is W square. Integral x square
X cube by
is x cube by 3. That if I substitute lower and upper limit, it will be L cube by 3. That is W square L cube divided by
6 EL.
6 EI. Work done.
W.
It is W delta.
W delta.
Therefore, W
Delta equals
is equal to
W
W
square
square
L
L
cube
cube by
6 EL.
6. That is not W delta, sorry,
Half
half W
Half
delta.
W delta,
Such a
okay.
standard.
half
It
it.
is half W delta always.
Yes, sir.
Sectional work done.
Half W delta.
Half W delta. So-
Work done equals half W delta.
Half W delta. So therefore this W, 1 W cancel. So here our delta equals W L cube by
3 EL.
yeah. That's what in cantilever. Vertical reflection at free end is W.
3 EL.
That's our first problem. Then if you take second example, what is mx?
Mx equal M.
M itself,
M.
that's all, no? Because you are applying
Sir, it's a minus
like
M.
Any section, it is minus M. Therefore, U equals 1 over
2 EL.
2 EI integral
0 to
0
L.
to L.
M square.
Mx square means it is M
M
square
square
dx.
dx.
That's all. It is nothing but M square L by 2 EI.
Yes.
And work done, external work done
Half.
as in N half
Half M.
M
Theta.
theta. Deformation is theta.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, external work done is equal
Equals
to
strain
strain
energy.
energy. Therefore, half M theta is equal to M squared L by
2 EL.
2 EI. These two get cancelled
Theta
and
equals
1 M will go. Therefore, that deformation will
ML by
be
E.
ML by
Yeah.
EI. This is exactly what it is. ML by EI. Deformation in the direction of load only can be worked out from this strain energy, from this simple equation. You have expression for strain energy, you have expression for external work done. How delta, that's what I told, I plotted the curve. P versus delta or M versus theta, I showed that's linear variation. So that you can apply, that is the strain energy which is stored external work. The last example, C, So this here W at a distance A, B, the reactions you can find out. Here this is W B by L. W A by
A
L.
by L, W B by L.
This is W
B by
L. Okay? So, Mx, you have one section you have to take here, another section here. From x equals 0 to A, x equals 0 to B. It covers that complete thing. So, Mx is equal to 1 over 2L. This is 0 to A. Mx here, it is WB by L
into X.
into X
into dx.
dx. That's all. And for this plus 0 to B, W
A by
A by L into
X
because both are sagging.
into
As it
dx.
is. This is Mx,
Yes.
not Mx.
Into dx.
This is Mx. Integration is not coming. Integration is not coming.
Yes, sir. X.
It is only that. Or
dx.
you can put U
U.
is equal to this Mx square.
Mx
Square means this.
X square. The dx is not there.
Huh?
Dx
That is 0 to A.
0 to A.
This is
0 to B into dx.
here also dx. That's all.
Yes.
Mx square.
Mx.
Mx is this.
Yes, sir.
WB by L into X. WB by L whole square into X square. So if you do this, 1 over 2EL, this is x cube by 3. X cube by 3 I have to put upper limit A cube by
A cube by 3.
3.
W.
So this is W square,
A
B
cube,
square,
A cube by L. 3L.
3L. This will be
W square,
A square,
B
B cube divided by
L.
L square and L square.
L. L.
This also 3L square.
3L square.
X cube by 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what you are getting as U. Work done. Work done
Half.
is equal to
Half
half
W delta.
W
Delta.
delta. Therefore, half W delta if you do it, and here half W delta equals, here I will take W A square B square divided by 3L square outside. If I take it, of course 3 here, 3 into 2, 6 here. Okay?
Yes, sir. 6.
W A square B square, I will take it outside. 3 A square also I will
A
take it
plus
outside.
B.
So here I will get
L. A plus B.
yes,
B.
B. A plus B is nothing but
L.
L, and that L and this L cancel. Here also this
Half
2,
3.
you will get 3. So you will get
Delta
delta equals and W square. This W square,
W.
this will go, you will get
W.
this is W
A
A
square.
square
B
B
square.
square divided by
3L.
L.
L.
You can cross check whether you got the same solution.
Yes.
And if A equals B equals L by 2, what central node? So like this, very simple process in just 15 minutes I finished. That's application that I could have done to start with, how to find Mx. So with this, we have completed strain energy method. What is strain energy? What is Casimir theorem? What is dummy load method or virtual work? Then how to find out, and the equations and their application. Here it is only for simple beams, strain energy method with one load and deformation only in the direction of load. That's all. Then Casimir theorem for all beams, frames,
Truss.
so with this, unit 4